All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another great one reaching us still on the matter. Well, my brother, my sister, justice for Mobad protests spreads across 3 states in Nigeria. Well, my brother, my sister, this one is is something that everybody needs to face, like face squarely. Right now, Mobad made it clear to all of them that had been threatening him, threatening his life, that this one wey be say una do to me, it go be the last one wey una go ever do. And then right now we are seeing it. Nobody would have expected that this will happen. Majority of Nigerian artists have faced a lot of something like this, but they never spoke. They never spoke, and they never made it clear to everyone to understand what they are suffering. The likes of, in fact, of recent, we just started getting to see a lot of things which had not just been revealed to us on social media. The likes of Rogedi Baba, how he was molested by this same Naira Marley in London. A lot of things came out, and then right now I think Mobad is just going to be an hero that had made all these things to be opened. A lot of things have been happening in the music industry. We never expected this. Well, it is not funny at all. Well, a lot of people have made it clear that right now they are ready to face it squarely anyhow they want it. Now there's been a lot of reactions on social media onto what is going on. Well, the last may not have been heard about the mysterious death of young musician Ilerioluwa Aloba, also known as Mobad, as some youth stormed the Pansheke area of Abeokuta, Ogun State to protest his demise on Tuesday. Well, onto this one, the youth who wore black attires symbolizing mourning gathered in their numbers at the skating ground arena in Abeokuta, carrying placards with inscriptions like hashtag justice for Mobad, hashtag who of light, among others. Okay, some days ago, some youth flooded some streets in Ikorodu, Lagos State to protest Mobad's death, as they were seen holding placards with "We no go gree, justice for Mobad." Well, meanwhile, Mobad, a former signee of Malian Records, owned by Aziz Fashola, popularly known as Naira Marley, died on Tuesday at the age of 27. Well, meanwhile, also some youth are still protesting in Lagos, around Lagos State Polytechnic Laspotech area. So said. Well, meanwhile, in the same vein, youth gathered at Efon Road in Warri Delta State on Tuesday to demand justice for Mobad. Report making rounds on social media accusing Naira Marley for alleged involvement in Mobad's death. All right, my people. Well, a lot of things are actually happening right now. Everybody they para. People they vex. Say this Mobad death, no be small thing. In fact, many people don't even they accuse the father. Say why be say this in father know all these things. At least we remember when the father go meet Naira Marley for house, when he come they beg Naira Marley on behalf of the son. When Naira Marley they say the boy na him fuck up, say he reach stage he can't forget lyrics. All those things we hear. Oh no, he said all those one are just cook up stories. We be say they just package onto say they just want to do something to this guy. And right now, a lot of people they verse. This lady where they here now, he just dey tell me say him father need to answer. He get case to answer. Kate in the building. In fact, I know say you the para. Okay, let them hear.
They beat your pikin. Your
That one-
pikin, your pikin come online. They tell the whole world say if he die, na this Ralamali
Yes, you.
music, na he kill am. You still call your pikin can't die finish. You can't still come out. Can't they say Ralamali no get hand.
No be that kind person.
In
Oh,
fact,
that's so
see,
suspicious.
they need to hold the father down.
See,
This case, the father gets many things to tell us, to tell Nigerians.
no, to tell the whole world, self.
Tell the whole world.
Because the whole world is
mother
bleeding.
sef,
Yes.
Even the mother, that one, I don't know if it's
I don't understand.
the son where the boy sing last. He
Mm.
say him mama run leave
Say
am
that
for 10 years.
so for 10 years he no
Over
see
10
mama.
years
Yes,
he no see him
I
mama.
see that post. Say 10 years he
Okay.
no see mama.
So
So what did that one mean?
that one too get question to answer. All
That's
this
bad.
time now, the guy, according to the mother, he
Mm.
said the guy come to am, tell am say something dey worry am, he dey into trouble.
Okay, the mother,
The
yes,
mother
yes.
know
I watched,
everything, and the mother
but
no come out.
he no come out
He no show
well.
face. Even when the boy died, after some days, the mother dey
So
come out.
painful, so
So
painful.
the mother sef he get
He
question.
get, yes, he get case to answer.
He get
Yes.
case to answer. The wife too.
Mm.
Where they bring one video come out say if you threaten, if you kill me, when Mobad say if you kill me, you no fit kill all
Yes,
my family member.
I understand that video.
Yes.
Where Mobad come talk say for one voice note wey come out, say come dey say him wife why say get one cloth wey they no supposed to use take cover am,
Yes.
but the wife can't use the cloth cover am. Say why? Oh,
Let me
that's
tell you
another thing.
something,
Oh my
the
God.
wife gets I mean the wife get questions
Mm.
to answer.
Yes,
Plenty
yes.
questions. Because now you dey close. Even the mother and the father, they know they closer.
Like you to the
wife.
Bob, yes.
Now they sleep, they wake up.
Hey.
Now they eat together. So
And
now
then
the wife get all the whole answer to the questions. That the wife must come out and tell us wetin happen.
You see, àwọn tọ́lọ́pàá máa kó back pọ̀ gan. People wey police go carry them plenty. Because right now, another thing wey even baffle me be say the same guy, he don cry out many times. He even write letter to police people. Police people then see the letter since June. They ignore that letter. They don't do anything about them. So which another former Malian record label artist, this they say the guy say na dancer, Lee Smart na be the guy name. The guy come outside say na so then they do. Say to the extent they even get their own police wey dem dey use. Say na area 2. In fact, area 2 police station, I don't know wetin those ones they up to right now. So I think right now the CP needs to do something about this, because this is not getting funny at all. Everybody's on the street right now to make sure there is justice for Mobad. Well, we even hear some people come to talk say like this. So say why it can't be say people can't they know because of Mobad, plenty people can't they come out only because of one person. Say for instance, if you know reach like this. Well, wait till me I see to that one now be saying the people are not actually coming out only because of Mobad. Waiting day ground right now be say everybody is injured already. The hardship in that country, Nigeria, is too much. So everybody want to use that opportunity to come out. Because people don't talk say we want come out, we want protest. Now I think this is the right time. Yes, and the Mobad already said it that as far as this is concerned, as far as this threatening way that they give and they concerned, say in home go be the last one. I be waiting you think, Kate. No be waiting with the talk with that.
The video where the guy made,
He
say in own case
go different.
If you don't take away all these people,
Don't they do say don't they? Yeah.
He won't go be the last one where they go do last.
Confirm.
So I don't say everybody head. That boy head go catch them.
Yes, so and exactly what is going on. Well, a lot of things are actually being said on social media right now. Nigerians are not happy. Everybody is angry. Well, with the situation on ground, the hardship coupled with everything that is going on, that is not straightforward in the country, is making everyone to come out right now to even let's even start from the small. Yeah, so forget about the big thing. We'll start from the small thing first. Then after we don't leave the small thing, then the bigger one will now face it. Well, my brother, my sister, this is so strong, and we say justice for Mobad. May his gentle soul keep resting in perfect peace. Meanwhile, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is right now. On to this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.